Let us begin by taking a moment to settle into a space and awaken the body. Whether you're seated or laying down or gently moving, allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. I invite you to close your eyes if that feels comfortable, and begin by taking a deep, nourishing breath in and slowly exhaling. Once again, inhale deeply, feeling the breath expand with you, and slowly exhale, releasing any tension or stillness. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present, more connected, and more aware. Now gently bring your attention to your body. Notice the subtle sensations, the warmth, the energy, the aliveness within you. Your body is designed for movement. It carries you through life, adapting, strengthening your flow. Take a moment to reflect now. How does your body feel at this moment? Does it feel energized or heavy? Open or tense? Simply observe without judgment. And as you continue to breathe, imagine each inhale awakening your muscles, your joints, your circulation, bringing life into every part of you. With each exhale, release anything stagnant, any tension, and any resistance within your body. Daily movement is a gift. It nurtures the body, clears the mind, and connects you to something greater than yourself. Visualize yourself moving with ease and joy. Whether it's walking, stretching, dancing, or simply breathing, see your body in motion, flowing energized and free. As you inhale, invite in strength and vitality. As you exhale, let go of stress, stiffness, and anything that weighs you down. Inhale again, strength and vitality. Exhale, letting go of stress, stiffness, and anything that weighs you down. Use that breath one more time now. Inhale and exhale, letting go. Movement is not just an action. It is an expression of life itself. It grounds you in the present moment, aligning body, mind, and spirit in perfect harmony. Now I invite you to turn your awareness inward. Notice the clarity that movement brings to your mind. The way motion clears away any mental fog, sharpening your focus and releasing stress. Feel the connection between your body and your spirit. Each stretch, each step, each breath is an act of gratitude, a celebration of the simple yet profound ability to move. Let yourself rest in this awakeness, knowing that movement is a form of self-care and a way to honor your existence, a pathway to balance. And as we begin to bring this meditation to a close, set a gentle intention for yourself now. I honor my body with movement. I embrace the joy of motion. I move with purpose, energy, and gratitude. Let these words settle into your heart, into your breath, and into your being. And when you feel ready, gently bring movement into your fingers and toes, slowly opening your eyes, carrying this awareness with you for the rest of your day. And may today move you with grace, presence, and joy.